6 and 7, these both have variables on both sides of the inequality. So the goal is to get the variables on one side and the numbers on the other. You can do that a number of ways. Let's say for this first one, first I were to subtract 3 from both sides. So if I subtract 3 from here, I need to subtract 3 from that 4 as well. They're both constants. That makes 0, so I get 10x. It's gone, so greater than or equal to 15x, and 4 minus 3 is positive 1. Now I need to get this 15x, get rid of it on this side, so I can subtract 15x from there, but what I do there, I need to do here as well. All right, it's like a scale. So 10x minus 15x is negative 5x, greater than or equal to 1. And so the last step, you divide by negative 5, because negative 5 over negative 5 makes 1x. But we divide it by a negative number. So this greater than or equal to needs to flip to less than or equal to. So we get x is less than or equal to negative 1/5. By graphing that, my recommendation for you guys is, if this is negative 1/5 in the center of your number line, this over here would be negative 2/5 because it's smaller, right? The negative number is 1/5 bigger, and this would be 0, right? And so less than or equal to negative 1/5 would be to the left. To show it can equal negative 1/5, we need to shade it in. So that would be number 6. For number 7, the first step is to distribute. Distribute this 4. There. So you get 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Greater than or equal to 7x minus 14. Now this is very similar to the one we just did. We need the variables on one side, the numbers on the other. So let's say instead on this one I were to subtract 4x first from both sides. That makes 0. We get negative 12 greater than or equal to 7x minus 4x is 3x minus 14. Now I need to get this over here, or get rid of it on this side, so I would add 14 because negative 14 positive 14 makes 0. Over here, negative 12 and 14 makes 2, so I'm left with this. Okay, so now to get the x by itself, we can divide by 3, makes 1. So we end up with this 2/3 greater than or equal to x. Well, I kind of prefer to put that variable first, so if I put it first, it's pointing at the x, open to the 2/3. It would look like this. X is less than or equal to 2/3, and graphing that, I'm going to do kind of similar to what I did in this one over here. Put 2/3 in the center. That would make this 3/3, make this 1/3. Less than or equal to 2/3, so less than is to the left. Shade it in to show that it can equal it, or equal to.